Hello and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making delicious breakfast cookies. A few of the ingredients I'm going to be using are coconut powder, flour, butter, plantain chips, almonds, oatmeal, cashews, and dried mangoes. We're going to start off by putting unsalted room temperature butter into the mixer. We're then going to add 3 half cups of packed brown sugar. You're also going to want to add 4 eggs. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Also add a pinch of salt. We're going to mix separately 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of wheat flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then just slowly add in the mixture. Then you're going to grab 2 cups of oatmeal and also slowly add it in. I then add 2 cups of coconut, 1 cup of almonds, my dried mangoes, my pecans, and then half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Now you're going to want to line your pan with parchment paper, and once you see that your mixture is thoroughly mixed, you're going to want to shape them into balls. And then you're going to want to fry them and put your plantain chips on top of them. Then you're going to want to bake them in your oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And here is the final product. You could really have these with anything for a light snack or even with a cup of coffee. They're really delicious and they're my favorite. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe and click the notifications whenever I post. Thank you so much and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.